Unlock the power of coding, how programming languages shape our digital world. Invisible to the naked eye, yet integral to everyday life, programming languages govern our digital interactions. From Python to JavaScript, C++, and beyond, these complex languages are the architects of our virtual infrastructure. Each language, with its unique syntax and structure, serves a distinct role in the intricate ballet of code creation. Python's simplicity and versatility make it the preferred choice for developing web applications, data analysis, and automation. JavaScript, a staple in web development, brings interactivity to websites, enhancing the user experience. C++, known for its efficiency, powers computer software, video games, and even commercial aircraft systems. Mastering these languages opens up a world of digital creativity and opportunity, transforming you from a passive consumer to an active creator.